I'm Ofra Gaito. I'm the president of OFRA Cosmetics. We are based in South Florida, sunny South Florida. We are a full manufacturing plant where we do all our skincare and makeup products in-house. I've been in the beauty industry for almost 40 years. When I was 15, I used to apply a little bit of a blush, a little bit of a liquid eyeliner. I decided to study to become an esthetician. In 1994, I opened my own spa. We decided to start importing French cosmetic brands and German brands. Then came up the stage of actually manufacturing ourselves. I think this is the right path for us to continue. The beginning was extremely difficult because we didn't have any accounts, but I'm very much a type of person that doesn't give up. Right now we have 140 people that works in our headquarters. We have our own facilities, our own laboratories. I have my 2 daughters working with us. We are actually a true manufacturer. We do not source our ingredients and formulas from other places. We actually mix them all together and come up with our own ideas and our own creativity and innovation. Star Island is one of the products that actually make us unique in this industry. We start with the raw material, mixing the powders, the pigments, turning it into liquid, and it is what we call liquid to baked highlighters. The highlighters is extra fine pigments that will look really stunning on the skin. It stays the whole day and we have fantastic variations. If you ever think about having your own business, you have to understand that it is a way of life. Sometimes it requires long hours, sometimes it requires 7 days a week work. I know women need to raise up kids, cooking, cleaning, a lot of responsibilities. It's possible to be running both at the same time. Everything that you do in life, do it with love. And you know, they say in the United States, when you make it big.